Layering. It can either make your outfit sing or completely swallow you whole. So many women avoid layering because it feels bulky, confusing, or just plain uncomfortable. But when it's done right, it's one of the most powerful tools in your wardrobe. Whether it's adding elegance in winter, breathing style into a summer dress, or creating shape with structured layers, this is your complete guide to layering like a stylist. We'll cover why it feels hard and, most importantly, exactly how to make it look amazing on you in every season with clothes you already own. Let's turn layering from frustration into your signature style move. Ready? Let's start. Let's be honest, layering sounds chic until you try it and feel like a walking fabric sandwich. Most women avoid layering because it feels bulky, stiff, or just wrong. You add a sweater, a coat, a scarf, and suddenly you've lost your shape. It's not that you're doing it wrong, it's that no one ever taught you how to do it right. So let's fix that. With just a few simple principles, layering will become the easiest thing you wear all year. Let's simplify it. No need for 10 pieces, 30-minute mornings, or Pinterest-level complexity. Here's the layering formula that works. Start with a lightweight fitted base layer. Think ribbed turtlenecks, soft cotton tees, satin camisoles. This is your second skin, smooth, breathable, and flattering. Avoid bulky or thick fabrics here. This layer keeps everything else working. Merino wool and silk blends are your layering superheroes. Next comes your mid layer. This is where texture and visual interest begin. Try a knit vest, a cable sweater, a button-up cardigan, or even a denim shirt. This layer can peek out at the collar, hem, or sleeves, creating depth without bulk. Finally, your outer layer. The piece that gives structure, tailored coats, classic trenches, blazers, cropped jackets. This layer defines the silhouette. Look for clean lines, shaping seams, or a belt to add polish and prevent shapelessness. Want to instantly elevate your look? Mix textures, matte with sheen, rough with smooth. Think silk under wool or leather over cashmere. Even an all-black outfit looks expensive when the textures contrast. Keep your color palette intentional. 3 tones max is a simple rule. A neutral base, a statement mid, and a grounding outer layer. Too many colors? You'll lose harmony. Too few? You'll lose dimension. Balance is everything. If one piece is loose, keep the others sleek. Big coat? Go with a fitted base. Wide pants? Try a cropped structured top. Layering isn't just stacking, it's sculpting. Let's recap with some outfit formulas you can use right now. Basics don't have to be boring. A plain button-down layered under a lightweight cardigan can feel fresh and stylish with the right pieces. Add structured pants and a long coat for a minimalist, polished vibe. Accessories like chic hoop earrings or bold sunglasses instantly elevate the look, turning basics into something effortlessly cool. Turtlenecks are a layering secret weapon. A fitted turtleneck under an oversized blazer or shirt adds dimension without bulk. Opt for soft fabrics like wool blends for comfort and style. Pair it with a shirt and midi skirt for a chic, cozy look, perfect for colder days. You'll love it when the temps drop. Double denim is back. This fall, it's all about balance. Pair vintage wash denim with a tailored jacket for a polished twist on the classic Canadian tuxedo. Try a denim shirt with wide leg jeans and break it up with a simple white tank for a chic cowboy-inspired look. Don't let your party top sit unworn. layer a strapless vest over a white tee to make it daytime chic. Pair with light blue denim and a trench for a versatile look that works from casual coffee to semi-formal events. Drape a sweater over your coat, not just for warmth but for style. It adds texture and depth without the bulk. A shawl or lightweight knit over a long coat gives you a luxe, layered look that's runway ready. Layering a waistcoat under a blazer, then adding a maxi coat, creates a chic, polished transitional look for fall, perfect for unpredictable weather. Layer a crew neck sweater over a tee and let it peek out. It adds depth to your basics, pairing well with jeans or even a bold sequin skirt. Strong basics are essential for great layering. Start with a white tee, add a button-down, cardigan, and leather jacket for a light yet layered look. Refresh an all-black look with a crisp white button-down and a tee underneath for dimension, keeping the outfit polished and interesting. Create visual interest by layering contrasting necklines. Try a crew neck over a colored tee, topped with a leather jacket for texture and style. Turtlenecks are layering heroes. Fitted, stretchy styles add warmth without bulk, perfect under sweaters or blazers for a sleek, stylish look. Borrow from menswear by layering tailored trench coats and suiting. Add pumps and a sleek bag for a chic, polished look with structure. Layer two jackets by keeping the outer one oversized and the inner fitted. The reason layering often fails: we forget to layer for our bodies, not just our wardrobes. So let's talk about what actually works for your shape. If you carry weight around your middle, layering too much fabric up top just adds volume. Instead, try open vertical layers like long cardigans, duster coats, or unbuttoned blazers to elongate and define your shape. If you're fuller on the bottom, layering long, heavy tops over leggings or flares can throw off your balance. Balance your frame by drawing attention upward. Structured shoulders, scarves, and cropped jackets that hit at the waist. If your body is straight with few curves, stacking same length layers will make you disappear. Use curved hemlines, belted coats, or peplum shapes to add dimension and break up your silhouette. You've got curves. Don't hide them. Layering that's too loose can erase your natural waist. Opt for waist-hugging base layers, belted trenches, and V-necks that enhance your proportions. If your shoulders are strong, adding volume up top can feel overwhelming. Go sleek up top and add visual weight below, like wide leg pants, midi skirts, or long coats with clean lines. By the way, make sure to watch this video next.